Hello, we are Team Prosores. My name is Mora.
My name is Espinoza.
My name is Hernandez, and basically our project is about a web app in which the user can open or close a garage door depending on its state. Now we will show you in detail how our project works.
Well, we have the Raspberry Pi with a Wi-Fi adapter. This is where all the code can be represented, and all the lows and high pulses are being performed by the Python web services.
Here we have our GPS, which are connected directly to our state controller. Now this is the relay and the terminal where is connected our motor.
Now we need an extra power source to activate the switch in the relay. So now when the Raspberry sends the digital signal to the relay, the switch activates and a voltage is now sent to our little engine. Now we're going to show you how this actually works. So I press the button here. The web service sends a message to the Raspberry, and the Raspberry sends the signal to a relay, and finally the motor moves. We're opening a garage door. Now we'll be closing our garage door. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching.